Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's update our view on euro currency and lots of interesting things happening right now around it. So yesterday was really a big discussion that we had concerning some different scenarios that might happen here, and we have a lot of different patterns that makes overall situation a bit complex. First of all, we're considering strong monthly support, suggesting the pullback. At the same time, recently we've got the bearish pattern, which is actually stands not in favor of immediate upward action. It doesn't deny it totally, but first it suggests that market should retest these lows. And major concern for us, since we're considering possible position taking with these big patterns, major concern to us is how properly to take the position in the current situation. What things we have to be aware of, and what particular moments we have to pay attention to. Yesterday we talked about the 10-year bonds. Cross-market analysis could help us a lot in the current situation. And even you could see what's going on. So retracement that we talked about yesterday started, and we said that a 618 level around 103 area will be the vital point for a short-term bullish context. So 103 will tell us whether we should take position right here, or we need to wait and see what will happen next, because the weakness of the market with this pattern tells you that we will get at least, at minimum, as a possible retesting some washing rings of the previous lows and completion 102 target, this daily XOP. At maximum, we will get just direct downside breakout and further downside continuation. And currently, if you take a look at the cross-market things, you will see that this scenario, I mean downside breakout, doesn't look absolutely impossible. First of all, here's a grabber on the euro currency, but same grabber we have on the dollar index. And you can see what's going on in the dollar index. Market shows upward action. So if dollar will climb slightly here, this will be a great sign, bullish sign about the MACD indicator, and it will definitely tell you that market will take it out of this top. Chances for that really high, because recall what we said about 10-year bonds. We said keep an eye on the possible double repo. So market stands at the vital point. So to form the double repo, market has to show downside action. If you will see upward breakout, it means no double repo will be, and it will be really negative for performance on the euro currency. And that's particularly what we've got. So here's market already stands around 4.7. 30-year bond stands very close to the 5% level. It's very high. Obviously, this is bearish pressure on the euro currency as well. Today, we will get publication of the Fed minutes in the last session, and it's also might be some bigger revelation inside on how different members were working, what particular decisions they've made. So that might be also important. But for now, even without taking a look at the euro currency, we will take a look definitely. But even based on this performance of these other markets, I would say that currently it's not time yet for taking a long position in the euro. So we do not have currently good background. Now let's see what's going on in intraday charts. On the 4 time frame chart, market is forming reversal candle and it's breaking down 103.55. So not yet the moment for possible position taking, right? So euro currency here is showing some downward action. By taking a close look at the hourly chart, here we have a kind of the ABCD pattern with the XOP around 102.96. With this performance of the 10-year bonds that we have, it's really not bad chances that market will reach it actually, and it creates agreement with the 618 support. It's 103.05. Target 102.96. It's just 10 pips difference. So that probably the level that we need to be focused on. So depending on what will happen here, we will make final decision. So normally if market still has some bullish chances, it should show upward reversal here. But based on the performance on 10-year bonds, I would say that we have really good chances for that. So actually bearish pressure currently is growing. So we should be extra careful with this solution and this decision, and actually that will be the last point. The attractiveness of this point is relatively close to the bottom, and it should be relatively easy decision for us, depending on what will happen around the 618 support. So that is what we have currently on euro currency. So another sign of weakness, guys, by the way, if you remember yesterday, we were considering this ABCD pattern with the OP slightly above the A point, right at the at this point. Before this point, we have great acceleration. By technical normal behavior, market should reach the OP that was standing just a few pips above it. But take a look what has happened. Market has failed to do this. It's just a sharp reversal down, ignoring the OP. This is bad signs. This means that the normal technical mechanics of the market has been broken. So somebody taking it and just breaking it through the knee and just crushing this normal technical natural behavior. And this is all as a rule, this is the strong factors, and you can see the following action. So that's another reason why I see that the Polish chances are melting right before our eyes. So yes, this is the last level, we will be watching it, but I wouldn't be inspired too much with this. So big chances that we will get just downside breakout. Let's keep watching.